Hello everybody, here's my latest work, and it's a companion to the one. Do you remember that it was based on the turducken, the Louisiana turducken, which is the turkey stuffed with a duck, stuffed with a chicken, and I made it with the pelican and the swan. Do you remember? Anyway, this time we've got a dodo, a great auk, a Dalmatian swan, and a Bachman warbler. Can you tell what they've all got in common? There was a clue. The big clue is the dodo. Yep, they're no longer with us. So they're all together. They're sharing the eye, as you can see. I really like this background, this dark teal. I played with softer colours, with a beautiful sky blue and soft greens, but I wanted to keep the brevity of this piece, which I think is reflected in the verse, which goes like this. Dodo, Dalmatian duck, Bachman warbler and great auk have all got together to have a birdie talk. Such prestigious company, so distinct. What a pity that they're all now extinct.